Hi, it's me again with the Corel Draw tips and tricks. Pretty cool graphic, made pretty easily with a Polygon tool. We're going to take a polygon, and I'm going to start with a six-sided because I want it in the center. And then I'm going to up this to like 50 sides. And if you will grab your shape tool and grab that top one, hold down the control button and go right to the middle. Now go over to the distort tool, which is underneath your shadow tool. And it's selected because you can see the nodes highlighted. We're going to go right here to zipper distortion, and we're going to start adding, and you can see the nodes form. And then you can start adding this, and watch what happens. That's pretty cool. And then you could add another node and kind of look at it and see which one you like better. And that's actually a little bit much. Maybe I'm going to go back to 4. I kind of like 4. And do it like that. And then it is a line. So we select it and we could make it something other than a hairline, because I draw a hairline. That may be a little bit too thick. And don't ever forget, if you need something between it, you can type in if I needed 9, I could just type in 9. Now, I can't use the interactive fill tool on it because it's a line. So I've got to go to object and convert the outline to an object. And then when I do that, I can get the interactive fill tool and swipe across it. And I'm just showing, because it really shows off on the video when you put a black box around it. That's pretty cool. And it's so perfectly even. And you could still change it from here. Now that you see it in black, you could get back to the distortion tool and redo it or make another one. Anyway, hope that gave you some inspiration, and thank you for watching.